Do you want to find hidden log chats on WhatsApp? If yes, then you are in the right place, because on this video I'm going to break down the steps that are needed for you to actually find hidden chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any question towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now simply open your WhatsApp app and then scroll down, and you are going to find this lock chat tab if it's not hidden. So let me actually hide this tab so I can show you guys how you can reveal it whenever it's hidden. So once we click on it, we're going to actually have to hide this tab. So now I've actually hidden the tab, so let's reopen our WhatsApp. So once we reopen our WhatsApp, you find out that this lock chat tab is no longer visible at the top. So the only way you can actually now find this lock chat tab is by clicking on this search icon at the top and then inserting your secret pin. So once you insert your secret pin, the lock chat tab is going to become visible, and then you'll be able to access all your lock chats. So that's just how it works. So if you are not seeing any lock chat tabs on your WhatsApp, that means that you need to actually click the search icon, input your pin, and then you have access to it. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos, or you might be seeing some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have any free time, you can actually watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.